In this video, I'll show you how to change the game installation path in Battle.net. For example, we want to change the installation path of this game and move it to another drive. To do this, just click on the settings in this section and just click on the Show in Explorer option. And this is the current location of our files. Here, we click on this section, go one folder back, and move the entire folder to the drive and location where we want to store it. Now just open Battle.net again. Here, just click on this section and go to Settings. And here, just go to the Game Settings tab. And here, we just need to select the location of our game. And here, we just need to select our game folder. And we just need to click on Done. Now it's verifying our files. And now, you can easily launch your game.